Proof of reserves, a must-have for crypto exchanges. Imagine you deposit your funds in a bank, like many others, and the bank starts using those funds to gamble or buy properties. When you need your funds back and go to the bank to get a withdrawal, you find out that the bank has nothing in its reserves. One of the third largest crypto exchange by trading volume. In November 2022, it was revealed that FTX has stolen billions of dollars from customers' funds. This wasn't just a small hiccup or another scam story. It was a seismic event that shook the entire industry. People lost their trust in the centralized exchanges, and the only thing that could mend that was proof of reserves. Proof of reserves is a way for the exchanges to prove that they have these assets they claim to hold on behalf of their customers. It assures the customers that their funds are there and can be withdrawn at any time. So how does it work? It all started with something called a Merkle tree. Now this might sound technical, but let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Proof of reserves requires exchanges to show what and how much assets they hold using the Merkle tree and Merkle root. Imagine a tree where each leaf is a wallet, holding the customer's balance on the exchange. These leaves are combined into branches, which then combine into bigger branches until they all connect to the top of the tree, called the Merkle root. This root is like a fingerprint of all the data below it. If anything in the data changes, the fingerprint changes too, making it nearly impossible to tamper with without being noticed. This means that the user can verify that their assets are included in the exchange's total holdings, all without exposing any personal information. It's like being able to check that your money is still in the bank without needing to open the vault yourself. Therefore, you must trade on the exchange that offers proof of reserves. Does that mean that proof of reserves makes the user's fund secure? But there's the catch. Proof of reserve only shows one side of the picture, the assets. It doesn't tell us anything about the exchange's liabilities. In other words, how much they owe to customers. If you want a video on that, let me know in the comment below. That's it for today. I'll be posting more informational videos. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so and hit the bell icon, and see you in the next one.